Please subscribe to our channel Crazy Knowledge World and don't forget to click on the bell icon for instant notification of our new videos. The problem of hair loss affects both women and men. There are many over-the-counter products for strengthening the hair, but either they are very expensive or they are not as effective as the labels say. But, as for many other health issues, nature has the best solution for this problem as well. Russian doctor Tatiana Viktorovna Konovalova claims to have discovered a simple mask recipe for strengthening hair roots. This mask strengthens the hair roots, regenerates the structure of the hair and stops the fall of the same, and for its preparation you will only need one very healthy and beneficial vegetable, carrot. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A and B-carotene. They are not only beneficial for good vision, but also have great effect on the health of the scalp, which is crucial for obtaining healthy hair. The compounds in carrots can improve the hair health and also provide good hair and skin health. In addition, this amazing vegetable helps detoxify the whole body, including the scalp, helping in the creation of new cells. The preparation method is very simple. Grate some fresh carrots and rub them into the roots of your hair. Leave the mask act for at least 15 minutes, and then wash your hair as usual. You should apply this mask before you wash your hair for 5 times in a row. After you notice that your hair has become stronger, you can use this mask once a month. You should see the positive results after a few treatments. Please like and share this video and do leave your comments. Also, to get instant notification from our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Sayonara.